Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing our famous versus video. This unboxing is going to feature the Macy's beauty box for July 2024. And we're going to be doing a head-to-head battle between the Ipsy Glam bag for July 24 as well. As always, if you guys are interested in either of these subscriptions, I will be posting links down below. That way you guys can sign up and purchase them. They are both a monthly subscription that is reoccurring. They both are going to feature sample and travel sized items inside of them. And they cost about the same for the same amount of products, which is why I always do the head-to-head battle. Macy's is $15 a month with free shipping on it. There is sales tax, of course, that you will have to pay. And then Ipsy is going to retail for $14 a month. However, there is also a $2 handling fee on there and then your sales tax. So this is about $16 a month before sales tax. This is $15 before sales tax. So we're gonna start with our Ipsy Glam bag first. I always do this one first, and I don't really know why, but now it's a habit, and I've tried, you guys. I have legit tried to film doing the Macy's box first, and I just stumble over my words, and I'm awkward, and it just doesn't work for me, and I don't know why. It's just now, it's like this core habit that I have to do Ipsy first. So anyways, that's what we're doing first today, is our Ipsy Glam bag. Wow, this is not attractive. Oh my gosh! We've had this before, like, more than once. Shut up. Oh my gosh, you guys. Ipsy did it again. So this is the glam bag for July. I double checked to make sure I had the right bag, and it is. But this bag has been around before, you guys. I cannot believe they're reusing this bag again. They must have a million of these. So this is the glam bag that they put out for refreshments. And here's how I know, because there's a tag over here. Let me show you guys. And this was a part of the refreshments side that Ipsy created. I don't even know if they still have that. I don't think they do. And that was a side that had like bath and body products in it. This bag was a part of that collection. And when you placed your first order, I remember they gave these out for free. And then they were also including them, like if you did bundles, they would put all your bundled items in here. And then obviously refreshments didn't do that well. So last year in 2023, but I don't know which month it was, we received this bag as part of our Ipsy Glam bag. And I was like, yeah, this kind of makes sense, because if they didn't sell many of these, they had a ton left over. But the fact that it's here for the third time a year later, that tells me they really do have a million of these. Ipsy, Ipsy, Ipsy. I'm telling you, I wonder if they thought people wouldn't notice that it's been a year. But if this bag starts showing up every year, you guys, I should start collecting these and be like, here's the 2023 bag. Here's the 2024 bag. I mean, I don't want to be that petty, but I kind of do at the same time. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe they tried to pull this over again. So inside of my Ipsy Glam bag, I do receive a card that will talk about the products that I have for this month. This is one thing that Ipsy does that Macy's does not, and I kind of like, is getting the physical card that tells you about your products. It's not a deal breaker, but I do think it's a nice little extra perk. So the first item that I have in here is a brush. This is from a brand called Neen, and it is a double-ended eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out so we can look at it here. Maybe it just does not want to come out. There we go. So this is what it will look like. So this one will have a fluffy brush on one end, and then this one will be a fluffier brush on the other end. These are great for blending. I do feel like this one's really well balanced, which is nice, because sometimes when it's double-ended, it will kind of be a little out of balance when using them, but this one feels really well. I feel like I could use both ends. The only thing I don't love about double-ended brushes is I always stand mine up, so then inevitably one of these is going to get crushed just because of the way I use them. Holy bananas. They want to charge $26 for this. There is no way in heck I would spend $26 on this. So next up in our bag of wonder, we have from Real Chemistry. Man, I haven't seen this brand in a while. It has been a hot minute since I've seen this brand around. This one is their foaming cleanser. It's 15 ml. And this foaming cleanser will feature amino acids inside of it. It's a non-drying cleanser, and it will remove makeup and oils, but it will not strip your skin. For a while there, I remember this brand being in a lot of bags and boxes. Like 2020, 2021, we saw this brand very frequently, and I haven't seen it since. Next item inside of our Ipsy bag for July is from Tarte. It is their takeaway something. I don't know what this is. It just says takeaway. Oh, it's an eye highlight. First off, do you see how small this is? I mean, this one is really tiny, you guys. Eye highlight, it's 0.1 grams or 0.0035 ounces. Do you know how small this is? I mean, there's nothing here. So this is from Tarte Cosmetics. It is an eyeshadow, but you can put it down as like a highlight. Typically, you would put this like at the very top in between your shadow and your brows just to fill that space, make it a little bit brighter, and it will make your shadows actually stand out more so if this is a lighter color. So you'll actually notice that this is a lighter color than my face is, and that's just to make that shadow stand out a little bit more so. It's just another little hack you can do to make things pop on your face, different features. So I do like the brand. I think the idea of the product is great, but this is just so small. I'm like, it's small like a pen. The next item included in our bag is from Briogeo. This is their Style and Treat Air Dry Cream. We have 0.75 ounces. Now this one I like. Briogeo is a great brand. I use several of their products. It's vegan. This one will be a soft styling cream that will help to minimize frizz for lightweight definition, and it will give you an air dry finish. But it also has B vitamins inside of this and plum oil, and that will give you moisture and nutrients back to your hair. This is the first product that I'm like, I really like this. I actually think this is a great product to have in our bag this month. Last item inside of our Ipsy Glam bag for July is the product that I did pick for the bag. So once a month with Ipsy, customization will open up and you can choose one product of the 5 items. This one is the Night and Day eyeshadow palette from Lithe. It's a cruelty-free brand. It is vegan. There are supposed to be 6 shadows inside of this palette. So we're going to go ahead and open this one up. I'm not familiar with this brand, but I do like that this seems to be a very neutral palette for like on the go. So you could throw this in your purse, and if you just needed a quick touch up, you know, this would be great to have with you. Sometimes it's nice having little compact shadows to take with, just in case something happens. I don't mind this product either. Now this one is considered a full-size product, and it says it's $32. What? Why? I don't understand why this would be $32. I mean, seriously, there's no way. Next up, we're gonna look at our Macy's box for July, which I feel like the bar is set pretty low right now. So honestly, Macy's could blow this out of the water very easily if they do it right, if they play their cards right. This could be an amazing box this month because I am not in love with Ipsy. Do we have a fan? We do. Okay, this is random. So this is inside of our Macy's beauty box. I mean, don't get me wrong. I actually have 3 of these, and I took them all with me to Florida when we went to Disney World. I literally have these in every one of my backpacks, and when I'm standing in line, this is what I'm using. So I do love these paper fans, but I will tell you, you can get these very cheap, okay? Like, I mean, very cheap. Like a quarter is what you can pay for each of these. So this is the free bonus item inside of the Macy's box for July. I do think it's appropriate for summertime considering it's been so hot out as well. And I think the pattern is cute. You've got like these fun colors and you can definitely see flowers. So I do think it's a cute gesture, but I mean, it's cheap, right? Like this is a 25-cent fan. It's made out of paper. It's functional. And believe me, I will use this. But I also think it's a little odd having it in our beauty box. This is gonna be a weird month. I can feel it, you guys. So inside of your Macy's beauty box, you will receive a bookmark that will tell you the theme of the box. You're also going to have a QR code and you can scan that and it will tell you about all of the products in your box. So instead of receiving a card that lists them out, this is what Macy's will do. So our theme is Summer Glow Up, and this is featuring SPF inside of it. So we are glowing up, but we have our sunscreen. First item that we have in our box today is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Bump Eraser Body Scrub, and we have a full ounce of product here, you guys. So this is the travel size version. This body scrub is actually an Allure Best of winner, and it's always on the list for the best body eraser. So if you have any sort of bumps or texture, dry skin, this will break it down. They specifically like to target any bumps that you get on your thighs or the backs of your arms. That is what this product was originally created for. So I do know the product works because, like I said, it's won a lot of awards, but additionally, great brand, and you get a full ounce of product to use. Next item in our Macy's box is from Kopari. This is their Sun Shield Soft Glow. It is SPF 30. So this SPF will feature minerals and vitamin E inside of it, and it is going to be a sheer weightless sunscreen that you can put onto your face, and it will give you that protection, but it's not going to dry out your skin when you're using this. Now, it is cruelty-free. Kopari is a great brand. However, this is 5 ml of product. This might be enough to do your entire face one time. It's not going to be a lot of product to really try it out and know if you like it or not. However, I do like this brand. I have used this sunscreen in the past, and I did find that it was very sheer. What's kind of nice is it doesn't leave any white behind, so it doesn't mess up like your makeup if you are layering. It's just a very sheer sunscreen that is buildable with makeup over top. So I do feel like this one is really good. I just wish it was a little bit larger. Also included in our box is from Nude Sticks. This is their Nude Screen Lip Primer. So this is for your lips, but it has SPF 30 inside of it. Now this one is going to be a natural tint, and it says that it will be a primer that you can wear underneath any lip color. That way it will help to protect your lips from UVA and UVB. And it's going to reduce the early signs of aging as well. Like any of those fine lines, those wrinkles that you'll get around your lips, this will help to prevent those. So what's nice is you can put this on first, then put your lip product over top, whatever that may be, and you're still going to be protected from the sun by means of this product. You're just not even going to notice that it's there. This is 10 ml of product, and that's what I think is funny, is 10 ml just for the lips means you're going to get multiple uses out of this. But 5 ml, half of the product for this one, and you're supposed to cover your entire face with this. I mean, already the brands are crushing Ipsy. I mean, so far, every one of these are very nice brands that you can find at Sephora. I mean, that's awesome. So the next one is from Lancome, and this is their Youth Activating Concentrate. We have 7 ml of product here. Now this product will be a serum that you can apply, and it will take down wrinkles and early signs of aging. So it's gonna help to fight those fine lines and get rid of those. Next item is from Kiehl's, and this is their Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. This is 5 ml of product. What I think is interesting is we just had Kiehl's as the takeover box, and this was not included in it. You would have thought they would have wanted this in that box. Last item inside of our Macy's beauty box is a fragrance sample. So this is our Valentino fragrance. We used to get 2 of these fragrances every single month. I mean, I could guarantee it, you guys, for years we had 2 fragrances in every single box. This year, it's been very hit or miss. Sometimes we don't receive them at all. Sometimes when we do receive it, we only receive 1. So it's just not predictable anymore, but I used to be able to count on this as one of the options for this box. Now it is just a sample size, so there's not a lot of product in there, but I always liked getting these because then I could smell them and go, oh, I like this one, I don't like this other one. So I kind of preferred getting these in the Macy's beauty box, and I wish they would send more of these like they used to. So that is everything inside of our Macy's beauty box for July 2024. I mean, for me, I think it's a clear winner this month. I think Macy's killed it. I think Macy's knocked it out of the park compared to what Ipsy sent this month. So in terms of comparing these, if we look at brands alone, every single brand that we're noticing in the Macy's box is a luxury brand. You can find them at Macy's or at Sephora. With Ipsy, there are several of them in there that are not well known. They're indie brands, or you don't see them as often, which isn't always a bad thing. But if you are looking for more expensive, more luxury brands, Macy's definitely gets the point for that. I think in terms of sizes and how much product you're actually receiving, Macy's wins again. You have more product to try here. There are several samples, but even at that 1 ounce just for the one product is already more product than most of the other items were in the Ipsy box. And then there's quantity. We receive more products with the Macy's box than we do with Ipsy. So Ipsy had 5 products in there plus the bag as our free item. Macy's, on the other hand, had 6 items plus the fan. So it was a total of 7 items in that box. So all in all, I just think Macy's wins on every level this month. They also didn't send any repeat products like this bag that I've seen 3 times now. So you guys comment down below, let me know what you think, who won this month for our versus video. But I personally think Macy's won by a long shot. But comment down below, we can chit chat all about it. Again, if you guys are interested in either of these subscriptions, I do have links listed down below as well. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!